Ya puedes empezar.
Double, what are you doing this weekend?
I don't know yet. If it doesn't rain, I'll go to the park with my family.
So nice. If you go, I meet with you.
Cool. But what if it rains?
Then I will just stay home and watch movie.
Same here. If if I stay home, I'll probably play video games all day.
This is good, man.
So let's check the weather on Friday. If it's good, we'll meet to the park.
That if we meet, it will bring some snack.
Yeah.